Okay, man. The first step you need to put in the middle, that both sides. Put one screw over here and one screw over here for the stack. And next step I do it is I put that side completely for over here and start a pusher over here with the heat gun for that side go in a little bit, but original come like this. When you got this already, you need to. And next you push over here, you got that side almost closed. You need a one guy push that side over here and you push here for do it that area like this. You need to make it that area like this with the heat gun. And the last tip you got, when you got two area like closed, so you need to put one screw in this side or longer, but that side stay over here almost. You put a screw, use a one pencil or something like. When you got a mark over here, when you cut it that area, and that area stay here. You take out and cut it this outside and put together over here.